Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by parking level, switching the engine off, and disconnecting the negative battery terminal to avoid shorts. Once done, open the hood and locate the headlight housing behind the front bumper. You may need to remove a few plastic clips or pull back the wheel well liner to reach the housing. Do that now. Use a small flat driver to pop clips and keep fasteners in a tray. This immediate access step prevents damage and gives you room to work on the bulb assembly safely. You'll reach the rear of the headlight and remove the dust cap or plastic cover first. This exposes the socket. Next, press the tab and pull the electrical connector straight off, then release the spring clip or twist the bulb socket counterclockwise to free the bulb. Remove the old bulb gently. Now take the new bulb, and because oils shorten bulb life, handle it with gloves or a clean cloth. If you accidentally touch glass, clean it with alcohol. Align the bulb tabs and insert it into the socket. Once the new bulb is seated, secure it with the spring clip or by twisting the socket until it locks, then replace the dust cap and any panels you removed. Reconnect the battery negative terminal. Turn on the lights and verify high and low beams work and that the beam pattern looks centered. Make a small adjustment if the aim is off. If the lamp flickers or doesn't light, check the connector for corrosion, confirm the bulb type matches, inspect the fuse and ground, and reseat the connector to resolve electrical issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.